Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today, we will learn about the best blogging tools for beginners. There are many free tools for bloggers. These free blogging tools can save a lot of time and make your blogging journey easier. Writing an article is not an easy job. It takes a lot of research and a significant amount of time to deliver a great post. So most of the time bloggers find it very difficult to maintain that time and manage their posts within a short time. To reduce this burden, you can use voice-to-text service. Now I will show you few voice-to-text services you can use for your article writing. Google Translator can be a great free tool to write your blog article. Just go to any browser. Go to Google. After that, go to Google Translator. Select the preferred language that you are going to speak. After that, you will find the mic button. Click on that mic button. Then start talking. And you can see the magic is happening. Our second tool is detection.io. This is one of my favorite writing tools. Go to any browser. Type google.com. After that, search for detection.io. Or you can directly write it to the address bar. Once you go to the website, you see your voice notepad is ready. Just click the Start button and start talking. The best part of this website is you can keep editing while you are talking. It will not interrupt your speech to text. But this website has some drawbacks. After giving full stop, the next alphabet is still lowercase. So you have to correct it manually. A little bit painful, but still better than Google Translate. Our third and best tool, speechnotes.co. In number 3, I have my favorite website. The name of the website is speechnotes.co. This is one of the best tools for the blogger. This website will help you to write your article whether any sort of disturbance. You just keep talking, as simple as that. You just don't have to worry about almost anything. This tool has some options to reduce your workload. You don't even have to type for symbols. Whatever symbol you want to use, you just have to say it. Then automatically it will be implemented. This is very convenient. Another best part is you don't have to worry about uppercase and lowercase after finishing a sentence. It will automatically correct for you. I hope these 3 websites mentioned above are more than enough to fulfill your article. Now it's time for you to find some quality images for our website. Copyright-free images. Images are very important for blog posts. If you post on a website without any image, it will look like a dead website. And the article will write without an image. Readers will be bored to read this kind of article without an image. But the main problem is it is very difficult to find a good quality image without copyright. Now I will discuss few websites providing copyright-free images and videos. Number 1, Pixabay. Pixabay is the most popular website to find copyright-free images. This website provides copyright-free videos also. You can find all types of photos on this website. Number 2, Pexels. Pexels is my other favorite website to get copyright-free images and videos. The video collection of this website is simply mind-blowing. They have lots of categories. Each and every category, they have thousands of videos. If you see those videos, you will not feel that those videos are really copyright-free, because they really provide great quality footage. I hope you like this video. If you like, please like, comment, and share my video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. In this channel, I always make videos related to blogging, YouTubing, and online income. I always show the free method, so you don't have to spend money to start your online career. See you in my next video.